Welcome to our latest offering here in Dr. Phillips. I'm Andre Kressler with Kressler Real Estate, and today I'd like to introduce you to 8125 Belshire Drive. This magnificent home is nestled in the sought-after Dr. Phillips community of Cypress Landing, offering a spacious and comfortable living environment for you and your loved ones. With 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a home office, this expansive residence spans over 3,337 square feet. Step outside and experience the inviting screened-in pool area, complete with a relaxing hot tub. Whether you want to take a refreshing dip or unwind after a long day, this outdoor oasis provides the perfect setting for leisure and entertainment. Inside, be captivated by the open concept design and the desirable 3-way split floor plan. The master retreat, measuring 21 by 21 feet, offers ultimate privacy with double walk-in closets for ample storage. Adjacent to the master suite is a convenient office space, perfect for those who work from home or desire a quiet study area. 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom are situated for privacy and comfort, while the 4th guest bedroom, discreetly located towards the back of the home, provides a separate retreat for visitors with its own entrance. Upstairs, there's a multi-purpose room or 5th bedroom that can be customized to suit your specific needs. This safe and quiet neighborhood is within walking distance to Windy Ridge Elementary School and features a playground, tennis and pickleball courts. Fresh Market and the renowned Dr. Phillips Restaurant Row are nearby for all your dining needs. And let's not forget the easy access to major attractions like Disney World and Universal Studios. If you are looking to make this home and carefree lifestyle yours, you better hurry, as this floor plan rarely becomes available. Send us a text or give us a call to schedule your private showing today.